Hi everybody, welcome to Techfusion Academy. In this video, we're going to be talking about mastering use state and use effect in React. So yeah, going to unlock the full potential of your React applications by understanding how to effectively manage components and side effects. This presentation will guide you through the best practice of updating objects and arrays and demystify the powerful use effect and use context use state hooks, and so more of what you are going to see in hooks. Now let's proceed. So we have another example. In previous videos, we've been talking about use states, and we've been given examples like using multiple use states, and we also did one of objects. So in this aspect, we said updating objects and arrays in state. When updating state in React, it is crucial to understand that directly modifying existing states can lead to unexpected behavior. Instead, always treat state as immutable and create new objects or arrays with the desired changes. One, what does immutability is key? React relies on state immutability for efficient re-rendering. Directly mutating states can bypass React update mechanisms. So we also have the spread operator power, which helps us, and we're going to do an example. We're going to create an example on that. The JavaScript spread operator is your best for non-destructive updates, allowing you to copy existing properties and then override specific ones. So let's go to the next slide. The problem is the overwriting states. Let's consider a car here. That's why I made an example of a car. Let's consider a car state object with properties like brand, model, year, and color, in which we have our brand Ford, model, Monster, year, 1964. If you simplify call set car, which the color should be blue, you will inadvertently remove all other properties, leaving only color blue aside. This is because set car completely overrides the previous state. Now let's go to the solution. The solution is JavaScript spread operator. To update only specific properties while retaining the rest, use the spread operator. To create a new object containing all previous state properties, then applies your new or updated property, which we are going to use the spread operator. Now let's go. Before I come back to preserve data integrity and functional state updates, let's go. Let's create. So here we'll say const. So we'll say const. Inside there we'll say car. And we'll say set car equals to use state. And inside this use state, we want an object which will say brand. And inside brand, we want Ford. As well, we want model, which will be Mustang. Our year to be 2007, and as well we want our color to be blue. After this one, we would also say const update color, and inside this update color, we'll say equals to, we'll create an arrow function, and inside it, we'll create an arrow function, and inside it, we'll say set car to, so we'll say previous state. Inside previous state, we want to return, then we are going to destructure it out. We say destructure previous state, previous state. Then you set the color to red. We already have a problem here. Then you set the color to red, and as well set the color to red. So now let's return our value. We'll say return. Inside this return, would have a fragment, and inside fragment we'll say H1, and inside H1, my car is car dot brand. Now, yeah, we'll have a p tag, and we'll say it is a car dot color, and as well we'll say car dot model from car dot year. After that, we also have a button. Inside this button, we'll say button. Inside this button, we want the type to be equals to button. Then we would have on click, which will say on click. Inside this on click, we'll say update color button. That is, wanting to update the digital color from blue to red, or from red, which is the previous state is red. Now you update the color to blue. Now let's check our result. So as you can see, we have my car is Ford. It is a blue Mustang from 2007. Now, if I should change it, the previous state that we had was red. It is a red Mustang from 2007. I hope you understand what this part says. We just made use of spread operator that we said the previous state was blue, so now we want it to be red. So say it preserves data integrity. It ensures all original state properties are maintained, preventing accidental data loss. And we also have functional state update, which says using a functional update like previous state equals to you destructure it is best practice when the new state depends on the previous state. I hope you understand this aspect. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to follow us across all socials at Tech is Zone Academy. See you next time. Bye.